Okay, welcome to our fourth and final challenge of our cricket skills challenge. This time we're doing a bowling activity. So we need a tennis ball, we need a cone, we need a target. Again, we're going to use the bin. And of course, we need a clock and someone to keep time. So again, we're going to stride out 12 strides and place our cone down. And this time, this is a 2-minute game. So we've got to bowl as many balls as we can in 2 minutes. We're going to bowl the ball at the target, but the difference between bowling and throwing is that we're going to bowl with a straight arm. So Mike is going to show us what a bowling with a straight arm would look like. Good. Okay, so every time we bowl the ball, we score 1 point. If we hit the target, we score 2. And this time we've got 2 minutes. So Micah, off we go. Okay, so 1 point for that. So 2 points in total, and so on until the end of the 2 minutes is up. Once the 2 minutes are finished, you've got the score, add it to your throwing, your catching and your batting. You'll end up with a final score. Let us know what you get and see how you do.